First of all, I want to say don't put too much stress on yourself about having to completely understand the platform. As I am guiding you through things, you're going to be learning on your own. We'll come together. It is my intention to create something where we all come together. So I'm currently redesigning my login area. You'll soon be getting there if you have not been given your login credentials, you will be, but do know that I am also creating as we go. And I learned so much from helping each one of you. And I just genuinely want to say thank you for trusting me with taking the step of trying the platform for yourself for each one of your needs. And again, we're going to be doing this together.